Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, as an affiliate marketer, one of the important things or one of the backbone of affiliate marketing is to get real and targeted traffic that will buy your service, that won't just come and view your service, but traffic that needs your service. And today, that's what I'm showing you again in this video. I've recorded a complete video course. If you check my previous video, you can check my previous video, you see I'll be talking about this affiliate marketing business issue. So I have a software I developed myself personally, and I've been using to gain traffic to my site. It has really been yielding great sales for me, and I've been giving it out to serious people, students. I have students that are buying my software and my complete video course, that they are using it also to get sales on their own affiliate marketing business. And this is the account of one of my students who got my software and has been using it for a while now, as can see on the screen. Started on May 27 and has been getting sales. They'll be getting an average of $500 daily, $400, $600. As can see on the screen, it's doing really great. So I'm showing you the account so that you know that people are really getting the software and they're really making sales and making progress in this affiliate marketing business. It's not about how much you work, or it is how smart you work. Yes, because this software is a smart way of getting real traffic and a smart way of earning higher in this affiliate marketing business. It is not about the number of where you share, you share the post. No. Life and the business, the game has gone more than that. Now you just have to get my software. My video course will guide you step by step from the beginning on how to use the software, and you start getting sales immediately. So if you want to get the software today, you can text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you. Once again, I go by the name Skywet. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.